case, Your Lordship, for unlisting, Your Lordship.
Today?
Already in 2 occasions, Your Lordship. Today itself, Your Lordship. I'm deeply obliged.
Actually, there is a proceeding where they have to email, otherwise,
Yes,
What-
there is a procedure. Yes, sir.
you
Sir,
What-
urgency,
What is the
Your Lordship.
what is the procedure for unlisted on vacation leave?
listed, not given, but.
No,
only for-
no, it is.
Or take it on second.
Second,
Take it on second. It will be listed properly.
Your Lordship, at 2, Your Lordship, there is urgency, Your Lordship. Already, Your Lordship, two occasion, Your Lordship, the
Mention
petitioner.
maybe before senior bench, like senior bench.
That is also said.
DB bench, Your Lordship, I made mention.
No. Single bench, that is also said. That's criminal matters are taken by only this or that bench also.
That could also, Malad.
Then you have to
Both
mention
benches, Your
before
Lordship.
the senior bench. I can quickly mention it before the senior bench. Okay, no problem.
I'm deeply obliged.
No. It's over.
May I
But
please, Your Lordship?
mention it before the senior bench.
Lordship, mention of an unlisted matter which is another of the same affair of item number 1 and 2.
Yes, listed to before this court.
Yes, Your Lordship. Item number 1 and 2.
They actually wrongly listed, Malad. It is, both the cases are section 21(7). Malad, Malad,
Two, I am appearing, my lord.
what the, though there is a Malad sleep, Malad, I have seen, Malad.
And I've not understood what happened. One and
Both the cases are already section 21(7).
acha.
Now there is a sleep, Malad, for email, there's come, Malad. Because of this, Malad, this case is listed.
Okay.
Now they have said that they have not mentioned.
No, item two, my lord, we have not made any mention, my lord.
My lord, I am appearing for item 1. There is a urgency. In item 2, already interim bail was granted by this honorable court. And the petitioner is in the jail, for which I have mentioned the item number 1. And in the mention column.
Okay,
Mention-
we'll see when it comes.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, I'd like to mention, my lord, for calling off and my lord, the regional affidavit which is filed in connection with item number 16. Oblige your lordship.
May-
Yes. Yes.
Yes, 1. Mention in item.
No, 3.
My lord, I am appearing for item number 1.
1 or 2 look at that here.
All messed up.
Okay,
Which
Item number 1, my lord, though it is fixed, my lord, it was already fixed. So also kindly see the orders, my lord.
now I'll take up 3.
No, my lord, item 1 may be taken.
Item 1.
Okay, 1.
I'm in the jail, my lord.
My lord,
In
the
item,
last order is already fixed on
wait.
21(7).
yes, my lord, he is on interim, my lord.
Wait. This is item 1. You are appearing in 1 and 2.
1, only
My
1.
lord, item two, I am appearing, my lord.
You are appearing in item 2.
He got the interim bail.
Already a order has been passed, my lord. Why?
It is already fixed on 21.
Yes, my
Yes,
lord,
sir.
but I am not on interim, my lord, for which I am praying for interim, my
That
lord.
cannot be a ground, my lord, at this stage, my lord. The PA, my lord, already order passed fixed on one date. After considering everything, my lord.
Yes,
And then in item number 2, that is a facts are both the is a different fact, man. The parity may not be a ground, man, at this stage.
parity is a ground, my lord, for which let me submit before this honorable.
And
court.
also, my lord, this is already
You are on-
fixed at
But you may
21(7).
decide.
Lordship, a court has considered and denied the interim, my lord. So how again, my lord, come for the same order, man?
Let me see.
There is a ground, my lord, for which I have.
Just a minute.
I guess I can say.
Okay, Mr. Musahidul Islam was granted interim bail.
Yes,
Okay.
he is the main operator, my lord. I am a customer.
Lordship, may kindly see the order passed in item number 2 on what consideration interim was granted.
Yes, affidavit was made.
Yeah,
lord,
it is, there is nothing of that sort, my lord. One court has considered, it was fixed.
Affidavit was made by his fiancée, whose
Yes,
marriage is fixed
yes, marriage is fixed. That is
July.
it,
That
yes.
is the reason
That is
it
the
was
reason. Only
given.
that is-
Otherwise there was some materials against
Yes,
him.
materials are there.
But in this case now, let us come to this case. I will
Item
see,
one.
I will see.
Item 1.
Not that I am
Let
not
me
willing to
submit, my
see.
lord, thereafter you are on, lordship may decide.
Let us see the FIR, please. Let us see the FIR.
Page 13, Lordship.
It's okay.
Page 10 in my
Hmm.
case, relevant is page 13.
I think
Direct allegation against this person
no,
who was granted interim. And
Based on the FIR and forwarding, my lord, no specific or direct role has been attributed to the petitioner, my lord. And nothing has been recovered from my possession, my lord.
who is he? What is the name?
He is
Rabul Islam.
Rabbul. He is a customer, my lord.
It's found that one person, Rakib Ali, involved in entire nexus. This person's. Okay, Rabul Islam. He was arrested from there.
yes, yes.
Okay.
And most importantly, my lord,
What is your ground for seeking interim bail?
ground, my lord, that mere presence at the scene is not an offense, my lord. And custodial interrogation of the petitioner has not been sought by the investigation
You
agency.
have to see the case diary.
Let us see the case diary, madam.
See the case diary.
You know,
My lord, he is more
If
than,
necessary, we can give an earlier date after reopening.
my lord, he is more than 30 days is in the jail, my lord.
No,
And
this is not a.
investigation officer also did not sought any
Hmm.
seek any for investigation purpose, my lord. He's in judicial custody for more than 1 month. my
Going
lord.
on,
Third,
madam.
learned
Cannot be
counsel
let
for
off so
the
lightly, madam.
petitioner. The petitioner is seeking regular bail invoking 483 BNSS in connection with Nagaon PS case number 399 of 2026 under so and so section. He was arrested on 31/5/2026 from a hotel which was searched upon getting information by the police about conducting of activities pertaining to flesh trade. And we'll stop. It is also stated in the FIR that preliminary inquiry revealed that women were being forced into prostitution and in these said activities and racket. We'll stop. 7 persons were arrested, including the present petition. We'll stop. It is submitted that one co-accused Musahidul Islam, against whom there were allegations has been granted interim bail by order dated 19/6/2026 passed by this court in BA 1641 of 2026, which is also listed today. I have gone through the said order dated 19/6/2026. It appears that the marriage of the said petitioner with his fiancée was to be solemnized in July 2026, and for the said purpose, an affidavit was also sworn by the was sworn by the fiancée, who was also stated to be a victim. In the said circumstances, the coordinate bench of this court was pleased to grant interim bail to the said petitioner, fixing the matter on 21/7/2026. Full stop. The case diary has been called for in expiry. The counsel for the petitioner seeks similar interim bail with regard to the present petitioner as well. Stop. On the ground of parity. Full stop. Also heard the learned additional people. Full stop. In the circumstances pertaining to this petitioner revealed from the FIR, I am unable to find similar parity vis-à-vis the grounds on which the coordinate bench was pleased to grant interim bail. Accordingly, call for the case there. So and so in this bail petition as well. So we'll keep the same date or
My
advance
lord,
it? slightly?
any date may be given,
Hmm?
because my
One
lord,
is
my name was not
20.
mentioned in the FIR that I am a LH operator or LH supplier, my lord. And if my lord may see section 143 and 3, 4, 5, 7.
The thing is that,
My
see,
lord, this is not applicable. These sections are not applicable on me, my lord. Because section 43 shares common object, my lord.
see,
I
the
am-
thing is that,
I am not the
no, the
LH
thing is that the
operator.
matter is already fixed on 21st. You have brought it in between. There has to be, see, the thing is that court also has its
Also,
account.
my lord,
The matter is fixed on particular date.
21.
It is preponed and then, granted interim. There has to be good reasons.
Yes.
If there are good reasons, certainly.
It will be a
Otherwise,
pre-
for,
it
you
will
know,
be
my
minor-
for superfluous reasons,
Precedent, my lord, then every
My
person will
lord,
come.
my lord, he is not an LH
Morning
operator of the
service.
hotel, my
the
lord.
prayer for interim bail stands rejected at this stage. Instead, the list, we can give a earlier date, however. If
Possible,
21
as
is late,
per your
then I can give a earlier date. I can give you a earlier date than 21.
When the lord, was it 16, my lord?
16 is
Yes.
16. Then the diary will be retained and this can be
Diary,
taken
my
up.
lord, it will
No,
be-
no, when does,
to again.
no, when the diary comes on 16,
Yes.
no,
then
it can be retained for the
Both the case may be
21st.
taken up together, man. Another council also there, man. Both the
My
case may be
paper item number 2, my lord,
Maybe
it's on 21/7.
Yes, yes.
maybe taken up
After
together.
your lordship, if lordship is preponed the date, we will do it. Otherwise, we are comfortable 21/7, my lord.
Or we'll retain the city.
This will not touch the,
Lordship.
it's fixed by another bench.
Lordship.
So this I'll not change the date. So since I could not give him interim, so I'm
Then-
fixing it on 16.
My lord.
Okay.
Deeply applied.
So item 2 will be taken up on 21/7, my lord. I'm deeply obliged, my lord.
31/16.
So we need not pass any order today, actually.
Lordship.
In item 2, we need not pass any order because it's already fixed, right? I think date fixed by coordinate bench, so it's not, I should not change it. Because as I said, due to not being able to grant interim, I'm giving on 16th or even 15th if you want. 15th or 16th. 16th.
Because otherwise CD,
Ah.
if not comes, man, again he have to take.
No, get the CD on
Yes.
16th.
No, no, if,
and
my lord, because the holidays are there, so I'm seeing,
get the-
otherwise, my lord, it
ah.
will not come, man.
please get the case diary for 16 and retain it for
Lord,
21
Lord,
because that will be too short to send it back.
Lord, no,
Okay?
no, will not send. We'll retain it.
Please bear with it.
Second will be 21.
It will get it.
It will be 16.
On the 16th.
Number 3.
My lord, item number 3 and my lord 4, my lord, are arisen of the same affair and the, my lord, body
3 and 4.
lordship. My lord, first, my lord, item 4 may be taken up, my lord. My colleague will submit lordship.
May please, your lordship.
Yes, please.
The present petitioners, my lord,
Hmm.
were arrested on, my lord, 29/5/2026. Today is 33 days, my lord, they are behind the bar. My lord, FIR is page 15. My lord, FIR is that, my lord, the SI of police of Gorsuk Police Station, my lord, lodged this FIR, alleging that, my lord, he got the telephonic information from one news reporter of Newslight, my lord, regarding the illegal, my lord, slaughtering of cattle, my lord.
Hmm.
Accordingly, my lord, police team visited the place, my lord, and found, my lord, some meat, my lord, admitted fact, my lord. And the present petitioners, my lord, 2% is in my petition, my lord, that total 6% were arrested in forwarding report, page 18, my lord. And they are in jail, my lord. And my lord, my humble submission, my lord, that serial number 4 of this forwarding report, my lord, page 18. My lord, that my lord, the co-accused came to the Honorable High Court, my lord, on 22, my lord, the motion stage, my lord, the Honorable Court was considered, my lord. I've annexed the page 23, my lord. Since, my lord, everything is seized, my lord, I'm not on merit, my lord, because police went there and found the meat, and actually that was the festival of Bakri Eid, my lord. And that occasion, my lord, it was happened. Page 23, my lord. Without, my lord, considering the case diary, my lord, on motion stage, my Honorable Court was pleased to allow, since everything was seized, my lord, nothing left in this case. And it was allowed on 22, my lord. So today is 30, my lord. So another more 1 week, my lord, already there in jail, my lord. So maybe consider, my lord, for the answer of justice, my lord. In this case, my lord, nothing left, my lord. Everything is seized, my lord.
Case diary was not called.
Yes, my lord. Only, my lord, what happened that everything is seized, my lord. We admitted fact, my lord, Bakri Eid festival was going on. Cattle was, my lord, slaughtering there. It is fact, my lord. And police visited there and found.
Not be in violation of the Cattle Preservation Act. No?
Yes,
That's all.
Page
That's all.
13, my
Whatever
lord,
is permitted by law can take place. Whatever is
Yes.
not permitted should not take.
Yes, sir.
As simple as that.
Legal, my lord, because it is revealed by the forwarding report, my lord.
Only length of detention, my lord, 33 days, my lord, and co-accused already released, my lord. On that ground may be considered.
And this is also similar.
Yes, ma'am. 3 and 4 are the same, ma'am. My learned friend for 3 and for 4.
In
Four,
three
ma'am.
lordship, I am my lord, number 6 lord, last one lordship, at page 14 lordship, I can see.
Same forwarding, madam.
Same
And allegation
forwarding
is the
also
same,
page-
madam, no different allegation.
Page 14, Matiur Rahman lordship, at serial number 6 lordship.
First, I'll take up this one. 4.
Yes, my lord. As per law, they could not do that, my lord, but one of the original benches, my lord.
Heard, Mr. Anuddin, learned counsel for the petition, and MP Goswami learned additional pitch. At least 23 for para. Para 2 to learn. Para 2.
Forwarding, my lord.
The case arose out of an FIR dated 29/5/2026, lodged by a police official of Gorsuk Police Station, with the allegation that one journalist informed about illegal slaughtering of cattle near the jurisdiction of the police station. Whereupon the police team went there and found some persons allegedly involved in slaughtering of cattle. 6 persons are named in the FIR, including the present accused petitioner, Ramesh Ali, seeking bail hearing. No, it would be like the name to change code. It is also stated in the Ajahar that during the search operation, some articles including slaughtered cattle head and meat were recovered in the place of occurrence and seized in the presence of witnesses. Full stop. It is stated that the above activities were in violation of Section 8 of the Assam Cattle Preservation Act. Learned counsel, Mr. Uddin, submits that rather than the merit of the matter, he is submitting that the petitioners have already spent 33 days in custody. And in this respect, a co-accused was granted bail on 22/6/2026, passed by a coordinate bench of this court in BA 1669 of 2026. Full stop. A copy of the said order is annexed and I peruse the same. Full stop. It is submitted that all the materials have been already seized. And the petitioner has already been, has been in custody for more than 30 days. And the next few days, being non-court working days, dash, he may be allowed to go on bail at this place. Full stop. The learned additional PP, Mr. Goswami submits that as contended by the informant, the activities were in violation of the Cattle Preservation Act. Full stop. Call for the case diary from the concerned police station. However, considering the aspect of parity vis-a-vis the bail granted to the co-accused, it is directed that similar DDO to interim bail. 30,000 with 1 para 6 DD. Well, let us see the diary once. I'm giving interim bail.
They're in jail.
But let us see the diary once. You can fix a date towards the end of July.
Lord,
Okay,
on 30th of, my lord.
30. Okay.
30.
Let us see it.
My lord, they're in jail, my lord.
Interim bail, granted.
Interim.
Interim.
Yes.
They will go out.
Two petitioners, my lord, in my petition.
Item 13 lordship,
Yes,
page
ma'am.
13
Yes.
is the my lord.
Yes,
My lord, page 13 is my lord, the forwarding report lordship. I am the last one. my
Just
lord,
a
page
minute, this
14
is not
lordship.
complete. Ramesh Ali and Haresh Ali, they do 30,000 each. 30,000 each. This is done. Fix on 30th July. 30th July. This is identical facts.
Lordship,
Identical
my lord, forwarding report at 14 lordship.
Naam to Bilek.
My lord, 6 Motiur Rahman lordship. Last.
Since learned coordinate bench has taken a call, they did it. But I'm not disposing it off. Let's see the CD ones.
Lord,
Though that might also be academic in a sense. But Motiu Rahman, same. They were arrested on the same day.
Sam affair,
Same
Sam
submission.
forwarding.
Mr. M.H. Ahmed. Same submission. Arrested on the same date. Full stop. Same conditions, 30,000 with 1 on 30th July.
One separate.
Item number 5.
Wait, Lordship. I am behind the bar since 2nd of June, my lord. 3rd of June, my lord.
Second of
3rd of June, my lord. My lord will find the allegation saying, my lord, the petitioner before is the owner of a vehicle, my lord. And he has given the vehicle hire to one Das, my lord.
Hmm.
Now kindly see the FIR at page 16, my lord. I am not naming the FIR. And just kindly see, it is at page 16, my lord. The lordship got it?
page 16.
Yes, my lord, this is a FIR. Short FIR, my lord. And vernacular is at page 17, my lord. So it is more respectfully stated that today at so-and-so, two vehicles bearing so-and-so number so-and-so filled about 1,825 liters of diesel of the barrel drums, and thereafter both of them fled away from the petrol pump without paying the money.
Mhm.
The cost of the diesel will be 1,79,000 so-and-so.
Mhm.
And who is the name of the customer? Sumit Kumar. Sumit Kumar is the manager of Mr. Das, my lord. So he did not pay. We are only the vehicle owners, my lord. Now your lordship will find on the basis of which we have been arrested, my lord.
Forwarding
Now,
report.
arrested. My lord, your lordship may kindly take the note of what are the section added to me, my lord. It is 61(2), that is a criminal conspiracy. 316(2), my lord, is a criminal breach of trust. 318(4), cheating. 317, stolen property, and section 23 of the Petroleum Act.
Cheating.
These, the sections are below 7 years and below, my lord. Now your lordship will kindly see the forwarding report, my lord. So why I have said below 7 years as well? Because of the fact that the until judgments and my lord, Ernest Kumar judgment, your lordship knows about that. 35, 3 notices has to be given, my lord. Your lordship will find in the annexure 2 is the forwarding report, my lord.
They fled away. How can they be?
No, fled away, madam. They fled away, but who?
Reasons have to be given. of
Yes,
course.
my lord.
If
The
notice
reason,
is
your
not
lordship
given.
kindly see the background of the case. Now the ground of arrest, my lord.
Yes.
Your lordship may kindly get
Forwarding report.
the forwarding report. Ground arrest. During the course of investigation, it was ascertained the above mentioned accused person were in possession and stored the substantial quantity of so-and-so, so-and-so. In next, second para, investigation led to the recovery of the barrels. They have recovered, my lord. Barrels containing suspected diesel believed to have been unlawfully obtained from the complainant petrol pump. from the aforesaid premises, equity so and so, of whose one Subhas Das, he is the person, Subhas Das. I am the petitioner, was not the Subhas Das, and has been recovered from the Subhas Das. Subhas Das take my vehicle on hire, Now your lordship will kindly see next the paragraph 4 also your lordship may para 8, para 8 your lordship may kindly see.
Just a minute.
The diesel which has been taken out without giving enough money, that has been recovered from the possession of Subhas Das. Then, that paragraph 8 kindly see. During the investigation, the barrel which has been taken from the violating breach of trust, and during the course of investigation, the barrel suspect to contain diesel unlawfully obtained through the criminal breach of trust cheating from Nemchan, Manikchan and company were recovered from the dilapidated bamboo and tin structure situated adjacent to OHC boundary well so and so. So my lord, so far diesel are concerned, that has been recovered, and the Jimma has been given to the petrol pump owners also, my lord. Now, so far I am concerned, my lord, your lordship will find, because my wife, my lord, I have been granted interim bail for 5 days because of my wife, my lord, admission to the hospital, my lord. My lord, your lordship will kindly take page, my lord, 32, my lord.
With two.
Page 32, my lord. Page 6, my lord. So and so fixed for so and so case that report, seen the inquiry report submitted by so and so, report reveals that compliance with the direction of the court inquiry so and so. Let inquiry report be enclosed verification report of the Ward Commission 30 Sibsagar Municipal will take with the case secret. Whether the case, the ID medical documents placed on a record on the verification of so and so submitted.
Subsequently, it was rejected.
No, not rejected, my lord. I have been granted interim bail, my lord.
Interim bail.
Your lordship kindly see that accordingly the accused, because of my wife, my lord, has been hospitalized, my lord, because of what I have been given an interim bail, my lord.
Right.
Now, for 5 days, my lord.
Right.
On kindly see 4 days, my lord. On 12, my lord, I appeared, my lord. Again.
Okay.
Now, kindly see, on 12, the accused person Ispakul Ahmed
Okay.
appeared to be learned counsel at the expiry of interim bail while order 86, my lord. Learned advocate bail accused so and so is present. The allegation against so and so. Today, the said accused person has paid for a regular bail for further treatment of his wife, my lord, with some medical documents. I was so and so up payroll. It appears as there the 3 accused persons have been arrested. Another accused person, namely Sumit Kumar and Sorendas, who were involved in this alleged incident, could not be traced out yet. The examination of CDR mobile and used by the accused bank statement and so could not obtain still pending adjustment. The wife of so and so, considering the above the nature of the allegations, the prayer for both accused person, namely so and so are rejected.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying it was rejected.
These are rejected. That is why I came before this. Now, here your lordship will kindly see, these are the section below, my lord, 7 years and below. So 35(3) notice is a mandatory, my lord. Is a mandatory because of the effect court judgment, my lord. Now, where it has been reflects, my lord, it is absolutely violation of 35(3).
So I have to see the case diary.
Definitely, my lord. My lord, why I am doing that? Entering bail maybe because kindly see my conduct, my lord. Everything has been recovered, my lord.
We'll just
I am the only
case
the
diary.
elder of the family, my lord. Only thing your lordship will kindly appreciate, my lord. Kindly see my conduct also. I have been granted interim bail, my lord, on the ground of a medical treatment. And once I have been for 4 days, I appear again. And my bail bills are rejected. But anyway, no way, my lord, there is no question of regarding hampering or tampering with the investigation. So if I am released on bail, secondly, 35(3) notices has not been issued, which is a mandatory on the part.
In all cases, notice is not possible, practicable. They have to give grounds.
Yes,
Somebody might
but
flee.
why-
Some
why-
raid is being there. They will give notice, so what he will flee away.
My lord,
Evidence will be destroyed.
only thing is this, that while I arrested, my lord, they have to cited reason, my lord.
They have to cite the reasons.
Yes, but where
That I
the
do not
cite, what's the
disagree.
reason, my lord? There's
That
no
I do
reason.
not, they have to cite the
Maybe
reasons.
in the GD entry and maybe in the entry.
No, that cannot be GD entry, my lord. GD entry is the clock of the police station, my
At
lord.
this stage, only will only call for the case diary. I think connected bail application is fixed or something. No.
No.
First time.
It's the first time, my lord.
P. Bora, learned senior counsel for the petition.
My lord, your lordship may kindly see the forwarding report, my lord.
I've seen the forwarding.
No, enclosures, my lord. That's why I'm saying that, enclosures, my lord. Lordship may kindly see the enclosure. What are the enclosures, my lord? They have the arrest memo, number one, arrest memo, inspection memo, intimation of arrest person under section 47A, arrest so and so, notice under 48, medical examination so and so. What is 35C regarding so and so? Is an admitted position, my lord.
It is not given, my lord, but
How it can be?
Reason.
How it can be 47, 48?
Anyway, the
My
heard
lord,
so and so.
my only prayer, my lord, my wife is in Malad in hospital.
Heard, the instant bail application has been filed under 483 BNSS, seeking regular bail in connection with Sibsagar PS case number 102 of 2026. The gist of the allegations, the case arose out of an FIR dated so and so, where it is alleged that that on 1/6/2026, two vehicles bearing so and so filled 1825 liters of
Yes, sir.
diesel and fled away from the petrol pump without paying the money, which was quantified at 1,79,507. Subsequently, some suspected stolen diesel was stated to have been recovered, and the two persons were arrested, including the present petitioner. Full stop. In the forwarding report pertaining to the present petitioner and his wife, present petitioner and another co-accused, it is stated that prima facie evidence collected during investigation indicated involvement of the accused persons in illegal procurement, storage, transportation, and distribution of suspected petroleum products, indicating existence of a wider network involved in such unlawful activities. Full stop. It is also stated in the forwarding report that investigation has disclosed involvement of Isfakul Ahmed and Rimasa Begum along with Subhas Das and other associates in the operation and management of the premises used for the storage of suspected petroleum products. Full stop. And the illegal activities connected thereof. Full stop. The learned senior counsel submits that the petitioner was granted interim bail by the learned court bill due to the hospital admission of his wife, but subsequently it was vacated and the bail petition rejected, whereupon this bail petition before this court has been filed. Peruse the said order dated 8/6/2026 and 12/6/2026. I peruse the grounds of rejection of that bail order. Full stop. The learned senior counsel also contends that the offences being punishable up to 7 years, notice under 35 was not given to the petitioners. Nevertheless, it will call for the case diary from the concerned police station. List on immediately after the opening. Immediately after. 14, 15.
14,
No, for 15. May I pray, my lord, because your lordship kindly only the IO reveals that I am the only person, if your lordship kindly see the verification report which has been called short by the learned chief judicial magistrate regarding, my lord, my health of my listing, because learned chief judicial magistrate while granting interim bail has verified everything, my lord. Your lordship will kindly see page 33, my lord. IO what verification has a page 33, second para, my lord. The verification report submitted by the investigative officer reveals that apart from her daughter and there is no other adult family members able to look after assist the patient, my lord. So because of this on the humanitarian gun, my lord, the lordship, my lord, everything has been recovered, my lord. Oil has,
These are big. Anyway, it has
Only
been
thing,
mentioned
Malad-
also that the wife has been already been discharged from the concerned hospital.
discharge, my lord. Discharge doesn't mean, my lord, he's in bedridden, my lord. He's a bedridden, my lord. Somebody has to be there to take
Is
care
there
of
any
my-
document, medical document to show that she's bedridden?
No, my lord, here it's what it shows, my lord, the
No,
report.
I'm
it
not
shows.
convinced about the ground for interim bail in such matters. These are serious matters. These are rackets, possibly rackets involved. Anyway, so list on immediately after the opening.
15, my lord.
15.
Item number 6.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, this petitioner is behind the bar since the 10th of June 2026. Lordship will have the FIR at page 14.
Page 14.
14, 1 4. This FIR was lodged by a stranger who has no relation with this accused petitioner lordship. And basically, lordship, just provide the FIR. It says that this is a case of 85, like reality of relatives of the husband lordship, basically. May I read the FIR lordship?
I'm going to.
Yes. No.
Okay, then he was arrested.
Lordship.
Arrested from the railway station.
Huh?
Arrested from railway station.
Acha.
Railway station. While I was lordship proceeding with my wife for business purpose lordship to Kokrajhar.
Mhm.
So I was confronted at railway station lordship Bongaigaon and I was arrested
Mhm.
without any serving notice lordship. And also lordship, if provide the affair that contains, the definitely section 85 will come. Now lordship may kindly have the first schedule of CRPC that BNSS lordship. Whether lordship this case is cognizable or non-cognizable lordship, the affair lodged by some stranger.
No, this will be,
No case at all, lordship. This petitioner, who is the wife, lordship, also approached the learned civilian magistrate Nalbari. And learned civilian magistrate.
the informant is the wife.
Yeah, no lordship. Informant is a stranger lordship. I am not lordship aware about her identity also. And she has also not disclosed her identity, the permanent address in the affair.
Acha. Anyway, let us see what's. She claims to be his wife.
No, she is not claiming to be wife.
You're not
She,
claiming-
she just informed the police that someone has been committed with cruelty by her family members. Where is lordship this wife herself, lordship filed this application and also filed application before a situation missing. And she was at the time of arrest also she was with the husband.
Inform the. Oh, now I get it. No, the criminal law can be set in motion by anyone.
Yes, ma'am.
That's
But
true.
it's, let's say, cognizable offense that has been come.
No, lordship. Cognizable offense if it is lodged by lordship. Lordship may kindly have the first schedule of BNSS.
No, not cruelty, this
Yes.
impersonation.
No,
you know,
impersonation lordship.
hiding identity. you
No,
know.
that will come lordship when the person who has suffered something lordship lodge a complaint. My wife lordship, I got married with my wife and she is with me. There is no grievance or lordship any complaint from my family side. What family side lordship? Either from
No, the aggrieved this one, Sabita Sharma.
this Savita Sharma has no nexus with this listener. I even doesn't know her identity.
So that will.
That is what I'm saying lordship. First schedule of 85 says lordship it will be cognizable only.
BNS.
Yes.
BNS.
First schedule lordship.
Give me the BNS also.
BNSS.
No, BNS schedule I am taking.
First schedule.
BNS calling. First schedule, section
Section 85.
85.
The fourth column was cognizable, non-cognizable.
And hiding identity, misleading
Yes,
with
yes.
identity, what section is being given for that?
Laws. The other,
69.
yes, 69 laws, it will come only if there is some victim laws and a complaint. She is my wife. I have nothing to deceive her laws. And at the time of arrest also she was with me. So it is a complete non-application of mine by the law child court laws.
Deceitful means. What do you say, Mr. Goswami?
Lordship, Evidently, madam, there is, the information is given by the one stranger. Madam.
No, that can be. She
But,
may not
but
have
the-
been in a position to come before
Yes,
the
but the contents
law
of the
enforcing
FIR
authority.
contents of the FIR, madam, it is something different, madam. It-
affidavit has been shown by his wife herself Lordship, in the instant application that
Is it?
lodge. That Natasha Kashyap, whose name has been mentioned in the FIR Lordship. She has shown this affidavit Lordship. Also before the trial court also Lordship, she filed application. So I have nothing to do, Lordship. I've been done nothing by my husband.
Sarma, resident of. Oh, that's true.
Lordship.
He's arrested on?
On 10th of June Lordship. 20 days is behind the bars.
Oh, this is very peculiar.
Very peculiar.
Hello,
At
Natasha.
least either the investigating officer or the line, trial court ought to have applied their mind. Whether this.
No, the bail application affidavit has been filed by.
Why?
Why? But that this person.
Yes.
With agree person. Let's say agree person.
According to the informant, I am agreed, but technically I am not agreed.
Page 16, madam, it stated by the grounds of arrest, it stated that after preliminary inquiry, it is found that victim woman is living in extreme fear and apprehension. That is what the grounds.
She
of
has
arrest.
filed the affidavit.
Lordship.
on his-
Victim has filed the affidavit.
That's a peculiar thing.
Even in trial court also Lordship.
Then perhaps we can, anyway, so heard this one learned counsel and MP Goswami. The petitioner has invoked the jurisdiction of under 483 BNSS, seeking regular bail in connection with Belsor PS case number so and so under section. It's true. Do you have available? Yes, say, page 18 of our.
May keep it pending, madam.
Huh?
First may keep it pending, madam.
We'll keep it pending. Call for the case there, but we can grant him some interim. So and so, full stop. The petitioner is stated to have been arrested on 10/6, 2026, and presently in judicial custody. Full stop. It is submitted by learned counsel that the FIR has been lodged by the person lodging the FIR is a stranger to the state of affairs and has drawn my attention that the person named Natasha Kashyap, who's alleged to be the aggrieved wife of the present accused petitioner, and on whose behalf the informant has filed the petitioner has filed the Ejahar, has sworn the affidavit. Has sworn the affidavit in this bail petition, stating herself to be the wife of the petitioner. What is his name? Shahjahan Ali. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the continued detention of the petitioner is unjustified in law and facts. Stop. The learned Mr. Goswami, learned counsel for the learned additional PP, submits that perhaps the case diary may be perused. The call for the case diary, however, in the peculiar facts of the case that have emerged, in the interim, it is directed that in the event of in the interim, it is directed that the petitioner may be allowed to go on bail of rupees 25,000 with one surety of the like amount to the satisfaction of the concerned learned court, which is CJM here.
Nalbari Lordship.
No, Nalbari.
Nalbari.
CJM Nalbari. And subject to the conditions that the accused shall cooperate with remaining investigation. He shall not hamper or temporary dividends. He shall not commit any harassment or harm upon the informant as well as upon the said Natasha Kashyap. This is the matter on third week, May.
August,
Little, July only we can give.
July, subject to convenience.
27, 28, 29.
28,
28 is okay.
Lordship, I am available.
28. 27.
petitioner shall appear before the, oh,
No, he will be released.
He is behind bar.
Lordship.
27.
Plus.
Statement must have been recorded.
Below 7.
Obliged.
Yes.
May please it lodge. The regular bail question. FIR is phase 12, the relevant question is phase 12 period. Your allegation is that some cyber criminals suspected to be creating cyber crime and fraud to the public, and they transacted a huge amount of fraudulent money. This is the allegation, and accordingly, 2 person has been arrested
Okay.
on 12/4/2026,
Let
and
me-
they are already released on bail. And later on 26/5/2026, I have been arrested.
This person has been arrested.
34 days I am behind the bar.
Get case diary. Let us get the case diary. At this stage.
Only case there.
2 were arrested, then 2 more, then this person. Anyway. You, Mr.
Lordship, can short date
After reopening,
13 days.
learned counsel for the petition and MP person, the 483 bail application,
16 more.
seeking regular bail in connection with Borpeta PS case number. So the accused was arrested on 26/5/2026. The FIR dated 12/4/2026 was regarding cyber crime pertaining to financial transactions and fraudulent activities, fraudulent banking activities. Full stop. 2 persons were initially arrested, and thereafter the name of 1 more person emerged who was arrested, and then thereafter, on the basis of the statements of the arrested accused persons, the name of the present accused emerged, whereupon he was arrested from Gauhati. Full stop. The petitioner was arrested on 26/5/2026. Call for the case diary, concerned police station. List on 17? 17, right.
On AD item number 8.
Yes, ma'am. Come.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, this is a pre-arrest bill in connection with Lumbering PS case number 25/20.
Madam, I think this has to go before Justice Kolita, I think.
Same, so 22.
Huh?
Code number 22.
22, I think. This will- So can it go today itself? Or he may rise,
But tomorrow is also a
not tomorrow, day after.
day. You take it.
Okay. I have no problem if it can go now,
That's
but
abandoned.
will it be possible? Thus, it is upon
Again, registry has to list it.
listed. এখন চাৰে ল'ব লাগিব, কলিতা চাৰে ল'ব লাগিব, আজিতো নাযাব।
My learned friend is asking for second.
Second.
Okay, it's okay.
Obviously.
Third, learned counsel. The earlier, this is a subsequent bail application. An earlier bail petition was rejected on 8/6/2026 passed
With all
in.
respect, ma'am, there is one problem. Because whether on second, obviously, but anybody can take otherwise, ma'am, because perhaps this code may not available. Code number 22 may not be available.
Oh, yes, yes.
Yes.
Eh,
But in that case, ma'am, any code can,
Hmm?
since this is non-availability.
can it be done today? He's available today.
But she may not be comfortable by perhaps.
Okay, you're not comfortable today. Hmm? Huh? You can. Let's take a chance. You
I have no objection.
the in BA যদি আসে next BA AB 1071 of 2026 full stop. As the learned court which had rejected the earlier bail application is available today.
Refer the matter to register.
The matter is referred to the registry to be posted before the said learned court, preferably today itself. To be listed before the said learned court. I will not say anything, preferably today itself, I won't say. What do you do, madam, is I am passing this order. You approach the registry. Now, you just go and talk to the registry. You talk to the registry now, and if there's any issue, come and let me know. Because the order has to be typed and then what is the solution? Because he's not available on second. Take their guidance. Just say, we have
Yeah.
suggested you.
That has to be, madam. If-
You can tell that I have suggested you to talk to the registry. They will guide you and they'll let me know.
Item number 9.
Application 483 application, my lord, one Prakash Chaudhary, president of the Bajrang activist of the Barbara Road, lodged the FIR against this Deepak Burman, who is the manager of the Mayur Dhaba running on the national highway of Barbara Road. And accordingly, police arrested these two persons on the allegation of section 3(4) and section 6 of the Immoral Traffic Act. 6 has been added later on, my lord. And this Deepak Burman has been enlarged on bail. My lord, hotel was, this dhaba was originally owned by me, but there are 4 of my application, lordship will find that I have already laid out it to Deepak Burman, who is running. And my lord, in the forwarding report also, it is mentioned by the IO while arresting Deepak Burman and Astrapol, who is an employee of the dhaba. It is mentioned specifically it is being run fully and managed by Deepak Burman. I have got no hand, my lord. I am already laid out it to this Deepak Burman. So now the police asked me to attend this without serving 35 notice. But even then I am willing to go, my lord, to record my statement. So I am afraid that since the section 6 is non-bailable, so they may detain me, my lord.
Where
And
where is it written? You said he's the manager in charge of the.
There is no mention about me anything, but it is being run by, managed by Deepak Burman. And no person, no woman, no minor girl, no boy have been recovered from the dhaba.
No.
It is open space with dhaba.
Things are.
For a prayer, kindly call for the CD, my lord. I may be given some protection. I'll record my statement. Because of non-payment of the donation, this allegation remains lodged.
Deepak Burman has been enlarged on bail.
Yes, yes.
The bail order is there, no?
Bail order I have given, my lord. That is in page 19.
The bail
Page
bond,
19.
bail bond order actually.
But
It's a bail.
19, 19.
Only the bond is there.
Only bond order is there.
That may indicate that he was allowed on bail, madam.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Yes.
That's true, definitely. But no, what was the ground of releasing him?
Lordship.
According to your contention, main allegation is against him. And
There
what do you
is
say?
only, there is nothing to show that that this accused petitioner is not running the hotel management. I think
No, I have made my statement, para
It-
six,
it is-
para
He has
four.
made the
you have
statement.
sublated it, but there is nothing to.
But in the forwarding report, it has been reflected by the IO
That's
that
true.
Deepak Burman running and managing the hotel.
Regarding
the hotel
whether
means
he is
dhaba.
subletting or whether
Deepak Burman is running and managing.
Everything is done by Deepak Burman. He is,
Mm.
he is nowhere and he has no hand. There is nothing is there.
Mm.
Well, if your lordship call for CD,
Because-
everything will reveal.
Because
There is not a single woman was found.
the fire shows that, my lord, that Nathuram, my lord, his name is there, my lord.
Naturally,
And
he knows
also-
that I was the owner, but I have
Just
later
delegate-
to Deepak Burman.
আপুনিয়ে কৈ লওক ন, মই কৈছো।
সেইটোৱে কৈছো মই। Had there been anything by involvement, then it would have been reflected in the forwarding report that Nathuram Mandal is the main proprietor.
May kindly see the minor, there are also incidents like this, my lord. May kindly see from the FIR or everything, my lord.
Yeah,
The
that,
minor girls also live.
from the forwarding,
Yes, ma'am.
this is true, what
This
the
too.
council has submitted, that from the forwarding, no recovery of any
Yes.
woman seems to be there,
Exactly.
per se. Anyway,
He is
Let him-
inspector, my lord, who has forwarded this.
let him record the statement, no issues. Everyone should get a fair chance. Mr. S.C. Biswas, Learned Counsel, and MP Goswami. Invoking 482 BNSS, the petitioner seeking anticipatory bail in connection with Bolpeta PS case number 38 of 26 under so section. So, and FIR was lodged. FIR dated 22/4/2026 was lost with the allegation that the petitioner is the owner of one Mayur Dhaba situated at Kalaha Bhanga near NH 27 on the Borbeta Road PS. And that prostitution activities have been going on in this. And full stop. It is further alleged that on 21/4/2026, some members of some organization
Bazan.
run by the informant went there and found such immoral activities. Full stop. There's allegation that the petitioner is involved in bringing women for such illegal activities. Mr. Biswas drawing attention to para 4 of the bail petition contains and submits that though the petitioner is the owner of the said Mayur Hotel, but he has, prior to the occurrence, he has let out the same to one Deepak Burman, who was managing all the day-to-day affairs. The said Deepak Burman was arrested by the police and subsequently released on bail by the learned CJM of Barpeta. The relevant documents has been annexed and I perused the same. The learned counsel has drawn attention to the forwarding report pertaining to arrested accused person Deepak Burman and another.
Forwarding report not annexed.
I have given to.
Oh,
It is-
the learned counsel has placed a certified copy of the forwarding report pertaining to said Deepak Burman and another person. Full stop. Within bracket, not the present petition. Full stop. I have perused the forwarding report. So. In the said forwarding report, it is stated that the said Deepak Burman was the manager in charge of the dhaba/hotel, having full knowledge about the activities and having an active role in arranging accommodation and managing customers and abating the immoral activities. Per se, there is no reference to there is no allegation against the present petitioner in the said forwarding report. Full stop. The learned counsel also submits that The forwarding report also does not reveal recovery of any woman or women, including any minor girls. The learned additional PP, Mr. Goswami, submits, however, that considering the allegations made in the FIR, it would be prudent to peruse the case diary. Full stop. Call for the case diary from the concerned police station.
Objection regarding the intent.
And he also objects to the grant of the prayer for interim bail made by the petitioner side. Call for the case diary from the concerned police station. However, in the aforesaid facts and circumstances noticed and discussed above, I am of the considered view that the petitioner can be given a chance to record his statement and his version of the facts. In such view of the matter, it is directed that in the event of his arrest, 50,000 with one surety of the like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority and subject to the condition that one shall cooperate with the remaining investigation, appear and make himself available for examination, shall not hamper or tamper with the evidence. He shall not indulge or allow his hotel to be involved in any illegal activities. Full stop. Violation of the bail condition will entail cancellation of the bail. Full stop. List the matter for case diary on. Should I keep this? Should I? Keep
Yes.
30 July.
30.
No problem.
It is bail application, Lordship. Petitioner before your Lordship is a government servant. I have enacted identity card, page 10, the postal assistant, and presently posted at Lahwal sub-posters and the Debrugad head office. Annexed to page 11 is the FIR. There is two FIR. It is first FIR, your Lordship. 12/2/2026. It is FIR, your Lordship, complainant lodged by your Lordship as Inspector of Post, Debrugad. Allegation that there is some fraudulent transaction, institution of fund by the officials under Mohanaghat sub post office. And petitioner name also there. There are 3 years. So Kamal Shoika, then sub Mohanaghat post and presently working so and so. That I did as principal offender along with some other petitioner also there. So nothing. The allegation is that incident took place 2023. And after the case registered and after inquiry departmental, another FIR loss, case 13.
I see.
It is clearly mentioned, case 13.
The case was registered here.
Registered here.
No, this
Debrugad
case was already registered.
Already registered.
2000.
Taken after department inquiry, another.
This should be a statement
Yes.
in
Case
contribution of so and so, total fraud,
Case 13. Your
roll
Lordship.
and eggs.
And petitioner is not the regular employee. He is reported for 3 days. And she was not used his independent ID. She was used the ID of one Gitali Shoika. It is mentioned in page 30. Bottom, page 14. Your Lordship. Page 14. However, Sri Orindam Borthakur and Srimati Prarthana were deployed on short-term deputations less than 1 week in Mohanaghat post office, and each of them is responsible for loss of departmental instant only. And that Orindam is already granted interim bail. Same 14, your Lordship. Granted interim order by the coordinate bench. I am ready to cooperate, your Lordship, because I was not used my personal ID, your Lordship. I used the ID, it was only 3 days I have deputed. And same footing, Orindam and Prarthana both are deployed as less than 1 week in Mohanaghat outpost. I am not the regular employee of Mohanaghat post office. Petitioner was deployed in 4/3/23 to 6/3/23 and for 3 days she was deployed in Mohanaghat outpost. It's ready to cooperate here, but if anything is there. Page 13, misappropriation to the tune of 40,000 on the part of this petitioner, and that Orindam Bhattacharya is 20,000.
20,000.
So that fiction, that's. It's granted at 27.7, it's fixed only. Ready to cooperate.
The only thing in our favor is appointed for less than a week.
Less than a week.
On temporary basis,
Temporary.
short-term deputation.
No.
But your submission that
No,
they used
independent-
someone, they did not use their own ID.
Own ID. I
That is
was
not
not-
borne out by here.
Ah.
It's not, it does not appear from here.
No, it
But
is
that
not
is
there.
your submission.
Is that CDA is that? I'm ready to cooperate because whatever they have to verify, cooperate, anything is that.
So it's the Islam Learned Council for the petitioner and keep Professor. Full stop. Petitioner is seeking anticipatory bail in connection with Dibrugarh PS case number 4 of 2026.
40.
40 of 2026. Full stop. An FIR was lodged on 12/2/2026 regarding defalcation and misappropriation of post office savings money amounting to rupees 15,28,596. 4 accused persons were named in the FIR, including the present petitioner. Full stop. The principal, apart from these persons, the principal offender has been named as one Mr. Kamal Saikya. Full stop. Preliminary inquiry was, the case was registered as Dibrugarh PS case number 40 of 26. After inquiry was conducted by the post office. By the post office. Subsequent information was lodged before the police station dated 26/2/2026, in which the allegations were reiterated, naming these persons, including Kamal Saikya, and the amounts alleged to be defalcated by each of them is also indicated. It is submitted by the Learned Council that one Orindam Bhattacharya was granted interim bail by a coordinate bench of this court, and the present petitioner Prarthana Gogoi were employed on a very short-term basis for less than a week, and that the transactions they conducted was on the basis of the ID of other employees rather than theirs. In the second information dated 26/2/2026, the last para reads as follows. You just lift it, last para, page 14. Dash D, italics, sorry, italics. Full stop. I peruse the order dated 24/6/2026, passed in AB 1402 of 26, granting interim bail to the co-accused Orindam Bhattacharya, fixing the matter next on 27/7/2026. For case there. For case there.
Along with
Just a minute. Full stop. It is submitted that the petitioner seeks to render cooperation to the investigation and record her statement. We call for the case diary. However, in the interim, you just give 30,000 it once you it. She will cooperate and make herself available for examination. List on 27/7 along with AB 1402 of 2026.
Obligation.
Everybody demand.
May it please all of you. Item 11 and 12 out of the same FIR, Your Lordship. 11 and 12, Your Lordship. FIR is at page 8, Your Lordship. The main subject matter of the FIR is related to sale of ancestral property, land of the grandfather, Your Lordship. And the informant and the present petitioners are already related, Your Lordship. And already, Your Lordship, a civil title suit has already been filed, and which is pending before the Learned Civil Justice Senior Division at Aminganj. And there also the subject matter is the same, Your Lordship. Lordship will peruse at page number 27, Your Lordship. Page 27.
What is the allegation?
It is related to sale of their ancestral land, Your Lordship.
Fraudulently. You know, fraudulently.
Yes. Page 27, Your Lordship. Serial number 2. Serial number 2. He is the informant, Your Lordship, and he is the plaintiff number 2, Your Lordship,
Serial
in the
number two.
title suit.
Bhavani Dhar Sharma.
Yes, he is the informant.
He is the
in that
informant.
file, Your Lordship. And page number 28, Your Lordship.
Indira Devi.
Indira Devi and Kaushik, they are the defendants, 1 and 2, Your Lordship. And if Your Lordship peruses at page number 11, Your Lordship. Para number 6.
Just a minute.
Page number
In this
30.
bail petition, who are there? Indira Devi and Kaushik Pransar.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Who are defendant
They are
number 2 and 3.
1 and 2, Your Lordship.
1 and 2.
Defendant numbers 1 and 2
1
in
and
the
2.
title suit, Your Lordship.
In the
Page number
title
37, Your Lordship.
In the title suit. And then page 30,
37, Your Lordship.
37. 37,
Para 6, Your Lordship.
37.
The land measuring.
The land acquired by.
These entire portion which has been mentioned here, Lordship. They have mentioned it, these are the subject matter of this instance. Same, these land here in the FIR also same, Your Lordship.
That's it. The lands
Tag
acquired by
numbers
the
would-
plaintiff and
Patta
given
number
from
same.
their predecessors, the land measuring so and so, so and so, so and so. So and so are more specifically the same subject matter of the suit.
That is there, regarding title suit is pending, but regarding in the.
Just a minute, just a minute.
Malad.
3 bigger Kolkata covered by tag number so and so. Land measuring 2 bigger, land measuring 2 bottom. These are the subject matter of the suit. Now, let us go back to the FIR.
FIR is at page 15, Your Lordship.
15.
Page 15, Your Lordship. First para itself, the tag number, patta numbers are mentioned, Your Lordship.
P42 and 240. Just a minute. No? Okay. FIR was filed after the civil suit.
The civil suit was filed on 8/9/25, Your Lordship.
25.
Page 50 is the order sheet of the
Yes.
Honorable Civil
that's
Court.
right.
Page 50.
And the FIR was filed then?
FIR was filed on 25th/9/25. 25/9/25.
Quite long time back.
It was filed afterwards. So already this civil suit is pending on the same subject matter, yes, and it is fixed. Next date is fixed on 23 July, Your Lord, for filing of written.
Anything from your side?
Only one, 2 point, page 15, forgery of disease and incapacitated co-partners. One Padmadhar Sharma who died on 2011. His signature also in the NOC. One Mahesh Sharma who is died on 11/11/2017. And next page one Premadhar Sharma bedridden with severe memory loss since 2020.
Signature was also forced.
All these petitioners in item number 11, 2%, item number 12, 3%. All may not be involved, but someone must be there,
To honor that, CD is because someone has to do,
Yes. yes.
this is person 11 and 17.
And who are they? This in the other petition?
In the item number 12, Your Lordship, they are also defendants, Your Lordship. They are defendant number 3, 4, and 5, Your Lordship.
3, 4, and 5. Monorama.
Who is the main culprit,
Who?
Someone has to be main culprit, because in the NOC,
No, of
I
course.
tell you, obviously.
CD would be, of course, necessary, but whether interim, he is of course seeking interim because
I tell you,
Civil-
maybe,
civil
but some
dispute is pending.
on the forgery,
Hmm.
definitely there is a forgery,
Hmm.
They will cooperate, Your Lordship. I think yes, sir. Protection may be given.
Let them record their statements. We'll see the case that if the materials then can be. The only thing is that there should not be delay in the CD. In all cases, wherever interim is given, all cases. Because sometimes I see a lot of delay.
In
Not-
the civil
not-
suit, Your Lordship.
Not your at your end, but from there. Yes, yes.
In the,
Well, yeah, he has made out a prima facie case that yes, there may be an aspect of it has arisen out of a civil dispute. Yes,
civil dispute is already pending, Your Lordship. And
that's true.
in his prayer
That
in
is
the
a
civil
fact.
suit, already he has
That is
prayed
the-
for cancellation of the sale deed and everything.
that is a fact, and several of the proper this may be appear to be same the
They
land.
are all family members, Your Lordship.
Anyway, they should sort it out if there's no genuine real forgery or something.
Yes, Your Lordship.
But if there is, then definitely law will take its course. Heard. So, invoking 482 BNSS, the petitioners are seeking, petitioners are seeking anticipatory bail in connection with Kamalpur PS case number 138 of 2025 under so and so section. The FIR has been lodged by one Sri Bhavanidhar Sharma, stated to be a relative of the petitioners. The gist of the allegations is that by committing conspiracy, forgery, and a portion of their ancestral property situated at village Boregaon under Kamalpur Avenue Circle in the district of Kamrup are covered by DAG number 342, 347, 341, 350, 344, and 345, serially Milani, have been sold, illegally sold. The several persons have been named in the FIR, including the present petitions. Full stop. The learned counsel submits that the informant side and the petitioners are family members. And with regard to their ancestral property, TS number 233 of 2025 is already pending before the court of the learned Civil Judge Senior Division, Kamrup, Amingaon. Copy of the plaint has been annexed. This submitted, referring to the said plaint, it is submitted that the plaintiff number 2 is the informant of the case, and the present petitioners are the defendant number 1 and 2 of the suit. There are 3, 4, and 5. no? The other one
It's
is
3, 4, and 5.
there are 3, 4, and 5. Full stop. The learned counsel also draws attention to para 6 of the plaint to contend that the description of suit property therein is the same as the property described in the FIR, right?
Yes, sir.
The said para 6 may be reproduced here in bill. Google Lens. Full stop. It is submitted that the petitioners shall cooperate with the investigation, and in the backdrop of the ongoing civil suit, they may be they may be granted an opportunity to record their statements with some interim protection. Full stop. The learned additional PP submits that though the civil suit might be pending, but the FIR makes clear allegations of forgery with regard to property documents. Full stop. I've given my consideration to the matter. Stop. The petitioners, the parties on both sides are also stated to be family members. Full stop. Perusal of the case diary would be necessary and hence call for the case diary of so and so. However, in the circumstances, I am of the considered view that the petitioners can be given an opportunity to record their statements and their version of the facts and circumstances. Stop. In such view of the matter, 30,000 with one security each. Conditions of then cooperate with the investigation, make themselves available for examination. They shall not hamper or tamper with evidence, not commit any illegal activities. And so, oh,
31st of July.
same order, same order.
Same.
Yeah, they had to put it.
Obliged.
31st of July, 31 September.
Open item 13.
Bail hearing. Finish it, I think. You will be free.
Not a
Huh?
urgent matter, they are crossing for a FIR.
Lordship, may please. Lordship, may please, Lordship, we have filed this petition for.
You are seeking quashing of FIR.
Yes, yes, sir, your Lordship.
FIR.
Here, the informant has already submitted an affidavit.
Investigation is going on.
Lordship, yes,
Just,
the accused is on bail, Lordship.
just a minute. No? He's on bail, right?
Here, Lordship, the informant has filed an affidavit stating the informant has no problem with the causing of the FIR.
Affidavit will not be, it's not a joint petition, my lord.
Mhm.
It's
No,
not just to go.
let us get the case diary. You will not be
And
prejudiced.
Notice has to go.
He's already on bail.
Yes, yes, Lordship.
He's already on bail, so that's not a problem. And as you know, learned counsel, that the threshold for staying FIR, the investigation in a quashing proceeding is very high actually. Usually you would not stay, but sometimes some interim relief by way of coercive action, all these things are done, but he's already on bail.
Yes, Lordship,
So
but,
make your submission.
but now, Lordship, he cannot make place, Lordship, I have filed this petition for causing of this bail with on the ground of this affidavit, Lordship. And we
Yes.
have next this this affidavit on Annexure B of the petition, Lordship. And here, Lordship, here it has been written, the FIR was lodged mistakenly and due to misunderstanding, Lordship. Lordship, here the informant has also mentioned the informant will have no problem if the FIR is
No
false.
problem in this case, actually, there is no issue. At this stage, we just call for the case diary and you issue notice, take steps upon her. She can come and file an affidavit here.
Yes, sir.
She can support this affidavit, we'll close the matter.
Lordship, the informant stays in Pune, Lordship.
But she can, no problem, she can file, she can do a notarize an affidavit there and send. And if necessary, she can appear through VC also, not a problem, that's not a problem. At this stage, no prejudice will be counted.
Already on bail.
No, Lordship, actually,
What is your prayer today?
Therefore, crossing.
What
for causing, yes,
First
Lord,
day,
causing of the.
that's true, because we straight away, without saying anything, we should not.
Lordship, the accused cannot join the service till now. He's a government employee. And due to this FIR, he may lose his job also, Lordship.
He'll not lose his job. You place, I'll record your submissions and then he can give a copy of this order to the employer. Immediately after reopening, you get the case diary. And then you take the steps by speed post and ask her to, if she can come. She may not come. Why should we bother people staying so far away? You know, she can send an affidavit through through notary, notarize it there, send an affidavit and appear through online. No problem. And then we'll that copy of that can be also sent to the IO. copy of her affidavit can also be sent to the IO. Okay. Can she send to the IO? She can, isn't it? No, from there. If she was physically available, so she can always appear. But from there, how will she send to the IO? By post. Speed post. Third, your good name, please.
L. Haulai.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Since she's herself not supporting, you have a good case, no problem, nothing to worry. Only we have to follow the procedure, right? Criminal petition, so and so on. The petitioner is invoking the provisions of section 528 BNSS, seeking quashing of FIR being Haflong PS case number 13 of 2026, registered on an FIR dated 12/3/2026 by respondent number 2. The case was registered under so and so section. Oh, let's give it full stop. Learned counsel drawing attention to copy of the annexed affidavit submits that the informant / respondent number 2 has filed an affidavit expressing her desire not to proceed with the case and also not objecting to the petitioner being released on bail. I also find from the annexed order that by the order dated 27/4/2026 in BA 1083 of 2026, the petitioner was arrested in this case.
Yes, Lordship.
He was granted bail. He was granted bail. The learned counsel submits that in view of the contention of the informant through her affidavit, the proceedings, the investigation may be quashed, and that the same is causing prejudice to him, comma, he being a government employee, stuff. You have already received copy, isn't it? You have received the copy. The respondent number 1, represented by the learned additional PPS, already received copy. Call for the case diary of so and so case number, Haflong PS case number 13 of 2026. The petitioner shall take steps of notice upon respondent number 2 by speed post, full stop, at her proper location, full stop. The respondent number 2 / informant is at liberty to submit her original affidavit before this court and also appear before this court through the online mode, as he stated to be presently residing at Pune, Maharashtra. Full stop. After reopening,
My lord, is he, my lord,
17,
on 16?
16. Okay.
And Lordship, the petitioner has been summoned by, maybe summoned, they are during this
He's
time.
on bail, no problem. You take a copy, certified copy of this order, and you can use it for the for placing before the IO, for giving it to the informant, as well as for your employer also. Okay. And 16.
Bail hearing BA in production list, item number 1.
Should we finish these matters? You can be free. You can be free.
This is the production list case, my lord. This
Yes,
is
man.
similar with item number 1 and 2, my lord. So it may be fixed along with them. 16, 1 is on 16/7. 21.
No, we have fixed.
1 is,
But Lordship, I have an humble submission, Lordship.
Yes, make your submission.
Lordship, on the earlier occasion, no date was fixed and we were given an opportunity to mention before in a vacation court. And we were of the view that CD will be available today, Lordship.
Mhm.
If CD is not available today, Lordship, we may be given an opportunity on 7th, Lordship.
On
7th vacation, last day of vacation day.
the other matter,
Vacation month.
that matter also we could have fixed on, we fixed on which
I
date?
prepone
16.
16.
16. It did not occur to me actually that we,
Yes.
next week also there are 2 days. I am
Yes,
not,
but-
so I forgot.
But then also they have to make a prayer for
Yes, Your
urgent
Lordship.
listing because normally it's not fixed, my lord.
No, no,
Because perhaps my lord in that court also.
And Lordship, if your Lordship heard this case, Lordship, they are not even the customers also, Lordship. They were there for a coffee, Lordship, in a 3:15 PM in a day.
being at the wrong place at the wrong time. Yeah, it
Yes,
sometimes
yes,
it
Your
can
Lordship, we
happen
were in the wrong place.
in life. That it can
And,
happen sometimes.
Only the police
But
power, Lordship.
it is also there. So it must be.
Lordship, they are languishing in jail.
These things are very,
31 days
embarrassing.
till
also.
jail, Lordship.
You want it next week,
Yes, Your
next
Lordship.
week, but then it will be 3 weeks for 3 dates for that case. The other one, the council has already left.
My lord, there is problem in our my lord office also because
Mhm.
not all the days are open, my lord.
Mm.
So in any way, my lord, if it don't, if
We have
it-
fixed.
so it will be better if it's on 16, my lord, first date, my lord.
No, that I can fix, but she wants it earlier.
Some people, they are suffering, Lordship.
Heard
Yeah,
counsel
because the
for the
forwarding is there, my lord.
counsel for the petitioner and MP Goswami learned additional PP. Call for the case diary of Nagaon PS case number so and so. The petitioners is arrested on 31/5/2026. The learned counsels submit that the police searched the concerned hotel upon information that illegal activities by way of place trade is going on. And though the persons, full stop, though the present petitioners were arrested, but it is submitted that they were just present there for some, they might have been just present there for some tea snacks, and that these petitioners are not even customers pertaining to any such illicit activities. Full stop. Well, I have no problem from my side, but I'm just asking one thing. That matter, the council has already taken the date. No?
Date.
Can that matter be placed on 7th or 8th together? Because in the matter which is fixed on 21st, he's having an interim order.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So he will not be aggrieved. He will not be aggrieved. That's not a
But
problem.
if the person has left, my lord, he will not be aware that any listing on the vacation
And
beds, my lord.
vacation bench.
So he might
Nobody
miss
will
the
come.
matter also.
He'll miss the matter.
Right. In the vacation bans also some application has to be made.
What to do?
Showing some urgency, my lord.
Mhm.
So, my lord,
Not
my lord,
yet.
if we go by the, my lord,
I am ready to mention again on 7th, Lordship.
Oh. So I'll fix it on 16th, or
Lordship, I would be grateful if it is fixed on 7th, Lordship.
the learned council submits that submits and prays that the matter may be fixed on 7th, which is one of the days of vacation court during this break. So okay, no problem. This is the matter on 7th. So 7/7. Then you have to take the steps.
Good.
Take a chance, it's interesting. Court is always there to help everyone, but the only thing is that logistics have to be worked out,
no,
right? You call it, then there'll be, because now we have 3 dates.
it is.
So just see that there is no confusion. No? Because holding the case diary from 7 to 21 might be a bit of a problem.
No, sir.
It is from Nagaon PS, right?
No.
So if you can get it on 7th, then after the matter is done, send it back and then get it for 16th and hold it till 21st.
Obliged.
14,
You make a mention on that day if necessary.
Yeah, please, your lordship. Report was called for.
This is
Report was
production
waited.
list.
Proxo matter, lordship.
That we have received it. To WhatsApp, I have received that service has been completed, madam.
Service is complete.
Yes, madam. Initially, it was not completed because they were unable to trace out the person, madam.
Okay,
Just now I have received.
you have received?
Completed.
Lalu case.
In that case, amicus may be
So
appointed.
whom to appoint today?
Therefore, no one, but there is a list, madam.
Oh, no, they may not be available now at the moment. Anyone's there?
Anyway,
Mr.
this is heavy, so can it be fixed after vacation, appointing one amicus from
If he is agreeable, I can fix it, but I doubt he will be agreeable. Miss Hussain can appear? She is available? Yes, yes, why not? Come forward, no problem. We'll be grateful. Someone assistance is made. The Mr. Kaushik, Learned Council, Learned Additional PP submits that. It has been informed from the Council Police Station that service upon the respond number 2 informant is complete, full stop. As none has appeared, therefore, Mrs. A.F. Hussain, Learned Council, is hereby appointed as amicus to represent the informant. She may be furnished with a copy. Okay, we have called for the CD. Or CD is, the case diary has already been received. So we'll take it up on day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow, lordship. Can it be on 7, lordship?
Oh, yeah, it can be, no problem. 7? Fixed on 7/7.
15.
Wait, please, my lord. This matter become infectious, my lord.
Arrested.
Yes, my lord. He is surrendered, my lord.
Signed. NDPS. So
NDPS, my lord.
Learned Council submits that the matter has become infectious, as in the meantime, the petitioner, accused petitioner surrendered before the learned court below. Court below?
Yes, my lord.
And he was remanded to custody.
Yes.
The pre-arrest bail application is disposed of upon becoming infractious. You are at liberty to file regular bail application.
Obliged.
Oh,
16.
everyone listed as an.
May it please your lordship. At the outset, my lord, and that's why I apprised my lord that my lord, this matter was actually fixed on 28. So we have made a mention, my lord, citing a special reason, my lord. And it was preponed today, my lord. I'm grateful, my lord, but to that, whatever, my lord, this matter, my lord, there are many accused persons, my lord. And my lord, admittedly in the petitioners, the allegation against the present petitioner, my lord, is bit high, my lord. So, my lord, his interim bail was denied, but every person who, my lord, applied for bail or anticipatory bail was granted interim protection, my lord. Now, my lord, what is the special ground, my lord? That is, the case has been preponed, my lord. Now,
Just a minute, refresh that there were several persons.
yes, my lord, several persons.
And others were given, but this petitioner,
somewhere arrested, they were
others were granted interim, but he was
interim protection, my lord.
he was not
Even
given.
in jail, but who were in jail, they were also granted interim protection. They were released on interim bail, my lord. I'm sorry, my lord. They were released on interim bail. Now, my lord, here, my lord, the special ground is that, my lord, recently, my lord, the petitioner's wife, my lord, she has been detected with throat cancer, my lord, carcinoma, my lord, throat cancer, my lord. And except the petitioner, my lord, they have got 2 minor children, my lord. No one to look after them, my lord. So, my lord, so only as an interim matter, lordship may pray that lordship may fix the matter on 28, because all the other matters are fixed on 28. And my lord, some interim protection may be given. So the wife of the petitioner, who is also on interim bail,
He also
not on this ground, my lord, because at that time this was not detected when she was it was detected on 27th.
What is the allegation? Lost an affair that when the first informed started firing with revolver.
Page 35 of my additional affidavit, my lord. Page 35 of my additional affidavit, and I have stated also in my additional affidavit. On 27th, she was detected, madam. Even she is on interim bail, but interim bail was not granted on the basis of her health condition. She was because she was granted interim bail, but not on her health condition, madam.
He was shot on the eye.
But it is totally false allegation, but that also, because even the learned, my lord, the district judge, my lord, Dibrugarh also granted bail to some of the accused persons, my lord. But only for a limited period, so that my lord, the wife can be treated, my lord. Until
When is it fixed? 20.
28, 20 other accused, but all the matters are 28/7, my lord. So till then, my lord, and nothing happened, my lord, because even if the learned, my lord, the district judge, my lord, Dibrugarh, my lord, has granted bail to some of the accused person after arrest, my lord. And here also this honorable court, coordinate benches, my lord, they granted interim bail to some of them, and the interim period is bail to some of them, my lord. But my lord, I admit, my lord, the allegations against the present petitioner is bit
Shot
high.
in the eye.
But my lord, nothing happened, my lord, because nothing happened.
No injuries.
No injury as per my, because even the Dibrugarh court also, my lord, has granted bail. So only till 28, as in, my lord, humanitarian ground, my lord, so that he can meet his wife, treat her to an extent.
No, he's not in detention. He's in
No, yes, my lord, but if he goes there, and I have annexed this thing, my birth certificates of the two minor children, except the two minor children, and I have categorically stated also, my lord, that they have on paragraph 30, page 33, paragraph 3, my lord, of my additional affidavit. So as an interim measure, only on this ground, my lord, I'm praying for bail, my lord. Even the wife, my lord, she is also.
Where's the additional affidavit? It is not come. And it
Additional affidavit on I said.
Oh, yes.
Page
You
33.
have mentioned in the morning.
Page 33, my lord, paragraph 3. At page 35, my lord, it is a carcinoma, my lord, some cell carcinoma, medical terms, my lord, differentiated most cell carcinoma. This biopsy was sent, my lord, of the tonsil.
Okay.
So only on this ground till 28, my lord, and if finds something, my lord, I will not utter, my lord, not may reject it, man, but only for some
that's a
treatment measures, my lord.
Proceed here, already his interim order was not considered.
Yes, that I have
Considering
submitted.
the gravity of the offense, ma'am. So far, this cancer is concerned, my lord, that is not conclusive here. That is suggestive of.
No,
Is, my lord,
it's a biopsy report, my
my
lord.
biopsy report that is suggestive of poorly
But
differentiated.
the lordship knows the reports come like this only,
My
my
lord,
lord.
and my lord, this carcinoma, this squamous cell carcinoma is a minor, my lord, this is related to skin.
No,
And
it's
my
related tonsil, my lord.
No, squamous to skin.
Tonsil. Not the skin.
But as per my knowledge, my is skin, my lord, going by the what Guru says, my lord. And the
No,
thing
no.
is that my
So
lord.
the another coordinate bench court has specifically, refused interim to this
Yes,
person.
That's right. And the
And
thing
then,
is that.
and already date is fixed.
Yes, my
Yes,
lord.
yes,
does not
And
look
my lord,
good.
considering the fact that while he was not granting interim, during that period, that this, his wife went for treatment, my lord, for checkup, my
No,
lord.
for checkup, my lord,
The
biopsy was
senior
taken.
bench actually.
My lord,
So,
biopsy was taken, my lord, biopsy was sent, my lord. And my this is the.
yeah, you are free to go actually.
My lord, if my lord,
See, the thing is that it is fixed on 28/7. It was specifically refused.
Specifically.
Yes, my lord, that.
And it was in between,
Well,
division
only
bench,
All other granted.
all others granted.
All other granted.
But because on that day, my lord, we didn't have this medical report, my lord. When the case was taken up, my lord, we didn't have that medical report.
Is the learned judge available next week? No.
No, my lord. No, so, my lord, that's why we have, I have stated in my submission, my lord, that it is fixed on 28, my lord, but only on this ground, my lord, the wife is suffering from this carcinoma, my lord. So on that special ground, my lord, I'm seeking bail, my lord, for a limited period. And if it is not, if Lordship want to prepone also, my lord, my date, my lord, only I have to meet her, my lord, because I'm on the run, my lord. Two minor children are there. Nobody to look after them. And this affidavit, my lord, we have stated, my lord, only two minor children. The husband is on the run, and wife, my lord, is suffering from tonsil cancer, my lord.
What do you say? Additional people.
If Lordship want to prepone from 28 also for.
No, I do not want to prepone because it's already fixed by a
Yes,
court.
but some only on that ground, and if Lordship, if there are materials against me, my lord, then my lord, I will not utter a word before.
Learned counsel, take it from this para 29. First para, second para is same, third para is same. The bail petition came up before this court on 19/6/2026, and no, this is with regard to another person or this one, Abdul Rintu.
Yes, sir.
Who's the petitioner?
Filed a joint petition, my lord, Abdul Rinku and Abdul Mintu, my lord. But Abdul Rinku was granted interim bail, Mintu was not granted. He was not. Interim bail was not
This bill petition had come up on 19/6/2026 before a coordinate bench, and interim bail was granted to petitioner, the other petitioner, Abdul Rinku alias Rinku Ali. Very confusing names, both are. However, on that day,
Another thing, this Neha Begum address is shown as Udayanagar, Khanapara, Gauhati. This person is from Dibrugarh, no?
where?
Page 36, no?
এইটো ইয়াতে ওপৰত ঘৰৰ মানুহ থাকে, সিহঁতে লৈ গৈছে ন, তাত ইয়াতে মানে ট্ৰিটমেণ্টৰ কাৰণে আহিছে, LCT কৰিছে, LCT এড্ৰেছটো খানাপাৰাতে ন, LCT এড্ৰেছ ইজ ইন খানাপাৰা.
Was the reference in the application to his husband, the petitioner's name, Abdul Rintu, wife of Abdul Rintu, patient name Neha Begum, wife of Abdul.
The wife of the paragraph 3, page 33.
The wife of the petitioner was detained with. But there's no reference to the husband's name also here, isn't it, Mr. Kaushik?
It is not.
husband,
Neha Begum.
Neha Begum is also an intruder.
Abdul Kabir.
Well, here my lordship will get.
Neha Begum's husband is mentioned as Abdul
Here
Kabir.
the lordship will get. No, here lordship will get in this order.
There may be alias name, but Neha Begum. Abdul Kabir. In the birth certificate of the daughter, the name is mentioned as Abdul Kabir. But I'm not suspecting, but the thing is that it has to be cross-checked, no, these things. Lahwal PS. Abdul Kabir.
But here
Abdul
Abdul Moti, page 39, Abdul Mintu.
No, page 38 you come. Abdul Kabir.
Page 38 also Abdul Mintu, father's name, my lord.
Father's name? Where?
Right hand side, my lord. Right hand side, my lord.
No, page 38 of the additional affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
Annex document,
Yes,
Lahore.
my lord.
Name Abdul
Mintu.
Kabir. Date of birth this of the daughter. Name of mother Neha Begum.
Just the father's name, name of the father, Abdul Mintu, my lord. Right
But
side.
here it is, huh? Where?
In the right side, my lord.
Name of father, name Abdul Kabir. Oh, it's. Sorry, it's okay. No problem.
But today Abdul Mintu, right side.
It will be a paste to pronounce it. The Learned Council submits that. Okay, if you last word to on that day, the prayer for interim bail for the present petitioner, for the petitioner number 1, Abdul Mintu alias Abdul Mintu Ali was not considered. Stop. The Learned Council submits that urgent mention has to be made for the vacation bench as in the meantime, on 27/6/2026, Neha Begum, the wife of the petitioner number 1, Abdul Mintu alias Mintu Ali, was diagnosed with throat cancer. Full stop. I perused the annex document. It is submitted that only their minor children are at home and he wants to attend to his wife in view of the said medical exigency. Full stop. On these contentions, Learned Council submits that till the returnable date, which is fixed on 28/7/2026, the petitioner may also be granted interim bail. I've also heard the learned additional people, Mr. Kaushik. Given my consideration, it is also submitted that the other petitioners have already been granted bail, some anticipatory and others regular bail. Full stop. I've given my consideration to the matter. Full stop. Considering the projected medical exigency, despite the observation in the order dated 19/6/2026, this court is inclined to consider the prayer for interim bail solely on humanitarian considerations, so as to enable the petitioner to immediately attend to the health condition of the health to the medical issue of his wife, which should have no delay. Stop. In such view of the matter, it is directed same condition anymore 25,000 with 1/2 of the like amount. The satisfaction of the arresting authority, subject to the condition that will cooperate with the investigation. Would you like to appear?
Yes, ma'am. I would like to appear.
Because direction is also there.
Yeah.
He'll appear. He'll appear and make himself available for examination. Will not hamper or temper evidence. This is the matter on 28/7/2026.
I'm obliged, madam.
Call for the case diary of Dibrugarh PS 103 of 2026. This is the matter on 28/7/2026 for the case diary.
My objection may be recorded. My objection may be recorded.
Yes. The learned additional PP objects to grant of interim bail despite the projected circumstances.
I'm obliged, madam.
17. Not right.
Order.
This I is filed in criminal petition number 132/26
in the criminal petition, my lord, notice was issued, but the regarding granting of stay, this I has been filed. Lordship will find the fact of the case is that, my lord, earlier FIR was filed regarding a land dispute, and also title suit was also filed. The Lordship will find earlier FIR, page 11, ma'am. And on
Because,
that,
are you on bail? You are on bail.
yes, my lord.
You are on bail.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the main proceeding is for quashing.
Question.
How about issuing notice? Let them come and then we can hear on the after reopening
Because
instead of hurrying, isn't it? I'm just suggesting.
because my lord,
Since you are on bail, you will not be prejudiced.
my lord, FIR was ended on FR, my lord. FR was granted.
Thereafter,
Thereafter,
Naraji.
Naraji petition, and in the Naraji petition, new ground has been taken, whether that is permissible or not. New ground has been taken, para 9 of the Naraji petition, so that cannot be made. So for further investigation, the same FIR is to be placed, my. So my limited period, that up to next day, the Lordship may stay the further proceeding. Because there is sufficient ground, my lord, on the materials, and the learned trial court has overlooked this, my lord, whether new ground can be taken or not. The Lordship will find an Naraji petition, para 9, and the FR, and the FIR.
It's pending before Kokrajhar.
So my lord, a new ground cannot
Today
be.
only the IAS come, right? IAS.
IAS come. From the first FIR and the second Naraji petition, there should be same. In Naraji petition, new ground cannot be taken, my lord. So from the Lordship will find page 19 and Naraji petition, Lordship will find page 25, para 9. New ground has been taken.
Is 25. Page?
Page 25, Lordship.
Protest petition.
That is a Naraji petition. Naraji petition, page 25, and Naraji petition, and relevant portion Lordship will find page 28, para 9. This earlier it was 25 lakhs, advance was taken, now he has
received information
the
from
35 lakhs has been taken,
sold the person by the criminal.
and that ground is not in the earlier FIR. And FIR Lordship will find page 11, relevant portion, page 19, page 15.
No, FIR may not have everything, but if it is,
But
if this aspect was not gone into by the investigation.
Yes.
Suppose this was gone into by the investigation, and thereafter also final report is submitted, then may not be. Then he may be prohibited from.
That has been taken into consideration, my lord. Lordship will find a FR page 15. And page 19 is the relevant.
According to you, this ground is the ground number 9, para 9 of page 28.
Yes.
Of the IA is the new ground.
New ground. And page 20 Lordship will find the finding of the investigation is that during the investigation, the complainant's statement was recorded in the case diary. Additionally, the accused persons were also questioned regarding the case, and their statements were recorded and attached to the case diary. As no witnesses knowledgeable about the said, no witnesses found, case were found, no witnesses statements has been recorded. Since the complainant did not cooperate, thereafter complainant did not cooperate with the investigation by identifying the place of occurrence. The said could not be inspected and no map incident. From the statement of complainant, it is found that it is understood that the civil suit is pending. And in their complaint also they have stated that case number 14 is pending.
Anyway.
Earlier civil suit was filed.
And counsel for the applicant petitioner, full stop. The applicant petitioner has invoked the jurisdiction of 528 BNSS, seeking quashing of complaint case being CR number 48 of 2024 under so and so section, pending before the learned SDJMS Kokrajhar, full stop. It is contended, the basic facts contended is that an FIR, an Ejahar was lodged by the complainant on 29/8/2022 before the Kokrajhar PS, which whereupon Kokrajhar PS case number 400 of 2022 was registered. Full stop. However, upon completion of investigation, a final report was submitted, being FR number 363 of 2023. Agreed by the same, the informant as complainant submitted a protest petition, and after examination of the witnesses, it was registered as CR number 48 of 2024.
Yes.
This is the FR GR number.
GR number. And complaint number is
Protest petition also. Complaint number is 48.
48, yes.
Complete petition was whereupon the aforesaid complaint case being CR 48 was registered. The quashing of which is sought for in the main proceeding. Full stop. By this interlocutory application, the applicant petitioner is seeking stay of the said complaint case, which is presently stated to be at the stage of, what is the stage, sir?
Stage of my lord, witness.
Evidence is going on,
Evidences.
which is stated to be at the stage of evidence. Full stop. The primary contention of the learned counsel for the applicant is that in the protest petition, the complainant took new grounds, which is not permissible, and therefore is seeking stay of the proceedings till the returnable date. Full stop. My attention has been drawn to the following paragraph of the final report, which may be reproduced here in below, just marked at page 20. Here. Mark for this. Full stop. The learned counsel has also drawn attention to para 9 of the protest petition, which may be reproduced here in below, page 20 of the IA. Italics for it. Full stop. Issue notice upon the respondent on the IA. The petitioner shall take steps by speed post expeditiously. Upon giving my consideration to the matter, it is directed that till the returnable date, till the next date of listing, the further proceedings of CR number so and so before the learned SDGM Kokrajhar shall remain state word to bold. This is the matter. After the vacation, right? We can fix it on 31/7.
Yes.
31/7. Okay.
I love it.
They can appear and take
yes.
vacation. Modification of the stay order. That's all. So we finished.
Yes.